Hello everyone, today I'm going to be changing the oil in my Craftsman mower that has the Honda engine. And there's the specifications on it. The first thing you're going to do is remove the dipstick. And then you are going to flip the mower over onto its side and drain the oil from the dipstick tube. You're going to want a tray to dump the oil in. So now I'm going to leave it on its side for a while to let the oil drain out. And once it is finished draining, you flip it back over. I'm going to put in some SA30 oil, and it takes about a quart. Once you're done filling it with oil, you're going to grab your dipstick, make sure it's clean on the end, and check the oil level. As long as it's between the hatches, you're good.